4 telling signs your relationship is one-sided. A one-sided relationship typically describes that relationship where only one party puts all the effort into making things work out. When you are in such a relationship, there will likely be conflict of interest, your emotional needs will not be met, and you feel the need to please so you would be accepted. Though the relationship may not have started this way, you begin to see things going down that part with time. Unfortunately, because people can be blinded by love, they won't see that things are one-sided. Find out in this video some of the signs of a one-sided relationship. Number 1. Choosing friends over you. It is not unnatural for them to cancel at the last minute because a friend is having a party or wants to hang out with friends. They prefer hanging out with friends over you than with you. They may also accuse you of being too clingy and always wants you to give them space. These signs denote that your partner isn't really into you and that he doesn't count you as someone important. Number 2. You always apologize for things even if you are not at fault. Have you noticed that you are always the one apologizing even when you are not at fault? You still feel guilty, and he sees you as a bad person when you want something wrong to be corrected in the relationship. You cannot express your opinions and views because he always accuses and criticizes you. If this is the relationship you find yourself in, you have to do something about it now, or else you may end up being a shadow of yourself. Staying in such a relationship may leave you wounded, you lose self-worth and respect. That is what being with negative people will do to you. You don't have to always be on edge just because you want to please your partner. You are meant to be happy, express yourself, and be free from doubts, worries, and fear. Number 3. You aren't sure of yourself anymore. You must have entered the relationship to get something out of it, maybe to find love and have a future together with this person. Now, you don't even know what you want anyone or where the relationship is heading. Do you continuously live up to the expectations and have lost touch of yourself? Do you spend all your energy trying to be liked and accepted? If you answered yes to most of these questions, you would likely be in a one-sided relationship. If you go on like this, you will lose touch of yourself to be fit for that person. That isn't what a relationship is all about. It's about loving, growing together, nurturing each other, understanding, and most importantly, bettering yourself. And number 4, you always make excuses for him. You defend they are absent in an important event, why they act irrationally, why they don't treat you right, why you should always make compromises for them, why they easily get pissed, and even why they hit you.
We've been sharing with viewers a non-addictive, medically proven solution to anxiety, pain, and sleeplessness. This anxiety relief works with your body to eliminate your anxiety from within. Please find the link at the description below.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.